Slow down, slow down.
There, baby.
Let's go the other way. We're headed off to camp. What do you think, Chloe? Are you ready to go? Yeah, we're ready to go. Tony, are you ready to go?
Nope.
We are here at Buckhorn Campground in the Chickasaw Recreation Area. We're at Site 50. You can kind of see the water from here. So the reason we chose this campground over the National Forest, number one, we're gonna go out of town again in a couple of weeks. That will be in a forest. So we just wanted to keep it close to home because we literally just got back from being out of state. I guess Chloe wants to walk. Hi, Chloe. Say hi to your friends. Chloe, say hello. Yeah, say hi to your friends. Hi. Yes, good girl. You can get down to the water. It's pretty steep. Oh, that breeze in that waterfall is amazing. Out walking in my Crocs. I should have put my tennis shoes on. These Crocs are, let me think, 18 years old. These Crocs are 18 years old that I'm wearing. They were purchased when I finished nursing school and I worked as a charge nurse in long-term care. Life has changed a lot since then. I've done a lot of things. One. Not a nothing.
1-1.
We rode our bikes down here. This would normally be the swimming area, but we're in October, so it's not right now. Another boat coming in. There's a lot of wind coming off the water, but this is a really pretty day use spot. Another little shady day use spot. This water is really clear. We had never been down here to this lake before. I didn't realize the water was so clear. Pretty. About to have some burgers for dinner. Smells so good. We are about to have some sausage gravy and biscuits for breakfast. Tony's over there making his. Little Miss Chloe is behaving herself for half a second. Hallelujah. That's a rare thing. see it? I bet it's too overgrown. That's some thick brush, and it's still tick season, so I'm not going off in that. Yeah. Clearly nobody's used this trail in a while. Let's go see. Huh. You want to go through it? Okay. Ooh, what's this? What is trail number 4? Okay. Yeah. Oh wow, this is neat. Ooh, I like this. Oh wow, can you camp down here? Oh, it's just a spot to relax. Okay, cool. Well, I wonder where this goes. Let's go forward just a little bit more. It looks like the weeds are starting to grow up. Yeah. Whoa, something's wrong with my brake. Is there a stick caught in it? Well, no, it's popping.
Come on, baby.
That's what's popping. Oh, God. See, you have to like get me all lined out here. Okay. All right, let's try this again. That's what was popping. Oh, I see the water. just kind of dead ends down here. That sounded big.
Bear, maybe?
Let's go the other way. It could be a bear. Oh. I got the heck out of there. I ain't even getting eaten by no dang bear.
Save me one of the adventures.
That was cool though. You know, they do say stay on trail, and the trail is actually that way. That was a neat little adventure. Oh, we got locked in. They locked us in. Alrighty then. Morning. Deer right here on the side of the road. We're headed down to Little Niagara Falls area. Oh, they took off. This is the road that goes to Little Niagara. There's a central campground here to the left. We're going straight. Oh wait, slow down, slow down, slow down. You're missing pretty things. There's, oh my gosh, okay, you gotta go to the right. Did you see that? Sulphur, Oklahoma, near Little Niagara Falls. There are lots of falls in this area. If you haven't been down here, you're missing out. We're taking a little break here. There's some restrooms across the way. We have the camper all packed up, about to head home. Letting Chloe move her legs. A nice little day use area here where you can cook out by the waters, picnic tables, the grill. This is also a swimming area. So if you come down here and it's really hot, kids can play in the water. This water is very pretty. It's a turquoise color, but it's super clear. I don't want you in the water, Chloe Beans. Nope, you can't get in the water. We're getting back in the truck. Well, we are almost home. It's dark and we're ready to get some rest. I think Chloe's pretty well backed out. Oh, she woke up. She heard me talking. All right. Well, thank you for watching. If you're still here, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, all those things. We appreciate you so much. Thank you. Have a good night.